Alright guys, first of all, I owe you an apology. I literally forgot that I even have a tutorial channel. Yeah, cooked behavior fur. But real talk, editing and exporting tutorial videos in Alight Motion is way more painful than making like 5 edits back to back. And yeah, exams were also messing with me, so I was only posting pre-made edits. But now I might be back to regular uploads. No promises though, my life is still unpredictable. Anyway, no more yapping, let's get into it. Today, I'm going to show you how I edit my audio. Because let's be honest, edits only hit when visuals and audio sync perfectly. Otherwise, dead vibe. No SFX equals incomplete edit. For example, just look at my recent edit. You can literally feel the difference between SFX and no SFX. So yeah, let's start. First, take your audio and pick the part you want to edit. Trim everything after the ending point. Now add keyframes. One at the start, one a little ahead, then around your actual edit part, add one before and one after. Set the audio levels like this. Start to 0 to 50. Middle, main edit part, to 100. Keep the rest around 50. And at the end, do the same for a smooth fade out. Now export this audio. Next, open Audio Lab. There are a lot of effects, 3D audio and stuff. You can use whatever you like, but I personally use Chorus. Set it to 1 and save it. Now open the Moises app. Import the video you exported without effects. Wait for it to process, then open the project. Here, set everything to 0 except drums. Export that. Now go back to Alight Motion. Import the drum track and mark beats wherever you hear them. After that, remove both tracks and add your final audio with effects. Now just follow what I do on screen and copy the same process. Boom, final result ready. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope you learned something, or at least didn't get bored. Thanks for the support on the first video, and I hope you show the same love on this one too. Thanks for watching.